Friends, I hope that you are in a good health and good spirit. Today in this video I am going to share you that how to use one WhatsApp account in two different devices. You can see that I open my WhatsApp in my one mobile and then open my WhatsApp in my second mobile. So you can clearly see that I have these chats in this and also these chats in this mobile. Before starting the video, I am telling you something that please subscribe my channel and also like the video. So let's start. First you have to go to the Play Store and make sure that your WhatsApp is updated. So if the WhatsApp is not updated, you have to click on update option. So after updating, you have to go to the WhatsApp and then click on three dot line. Just click it and you can see that the first is new group, new broadcast, linked devices. So you have to click on the linked devices, then click on it and then click on a link a device. And in second phone you have to click on the Play Store and then click on it, and then in WhatsApp, and you can see that my WhatsApp is updated. So click on open and then click on continue and then click on this arrow option, and after this click on agree and continue. And in this you have to enter your number, but you cannot enter this. You have to click on three dot lines. You can see that this is three dot lines option. Click on it and then you can see that this is link as companion device. Click on it and you can see that these are the instructions. Open WhatsApp on your primary phone, tap menu or setting and select link devices. Tap on link a device, point your phone to this screen to capture the code. So this is the code, and then scan your barcode. So through this way, so you can see that these WhatsApp chats are in this phone and these are same. So if you want to log out the WhatsApp in other phone which you have linked, so you have to go to the WhatsApp and then click again on three dot line and then click on link devices, and you can see that this is the Android 13. This mobile is Android 13. So if you log out this WhatsApp from this phone, you have to click on Android 13 phone and then click on logout option, and you can see that my WhatsApp is logged out from my this phone. Wait, so you can see that this is, and through this easy way you can connect through this easy way you can connect one WhatsApp account in two different devices. And if you face any hurdle or any problem in doing this easy process, you can comment me. I will try my best to help you. Thanks.